Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I made mini lemon meringue cheesecakes. They went very well with our Sunday meal. We had baked chicken, peas and rice, coleslaw with grapes, and mini lemon meringue cheesecakes. God is good. The video will be coming soon, so please stay near. God bless you. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.